Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bark mods. Game modifications, or mods, can significantly enhance your gaming experience, adding new content, improving graphics, or altering gameplay. Before diving in, it's crucial to know where to find safe mods and how to prepare your game. Always back up your original game files. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble later on. We'll cover these essential first steps to ensure a smooth modding journey. Finding the right mods is key. Websites like Nexus Mods and the Steam Workshop are excellent starting points, offering thousands of options. When browsing, always take a moment to read the mod's description and user comments. This helps ensure the mod is safe, functional, and compatible with your game's current version. Downloading the wrong version can lead to issues, so double-check before you click that download button. Once you have your desired mods, it's time for installation. First, and most importantly, create a backup of your game's save files and installation directory. Many mods come with specific instructions. Follow them to the letter. For games with extensive modding communities, a mod manager such as Vortex can simplify the process, handling file placement and load orders automatically. This makes managing many mods much easier and reduces potential conflicts. Even with careful installation, issues can arise. If a mod isn't working, first check for conflicts with other mods. Sometimes two mods try to change the same game element. Keeping your game and mods updated is also vital, as developers often release patches for compatibility. If you encounter persistent problems, don't hesitate to reach out to the modding community. Forums are a fantastic resource for finding solutions and getting help from experienced users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.